It's not a matter of if it'll fail you, but it's just a matter of when it will fail you. It looks like a simple change out, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this, guys. Tip Squad, welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm doing something today, something I should have been done, but you know, I'm just getting into it. So, better late than never. That's the moral of today's story. Better late than never. I did have it before, I had ordered it before I went down to Daytona, but it just didn't come in until after I was already there. So, without further ado, guys, go ahead and tell you what it is. If you have not changed out your shifter link, that's something you need to do. It's not a matter of if it'll fail you, but it's just a matter of when it will fail you. I know I've had several people tell me, hey, you need to change it, and I just hadn't gotten around to it, but I'm definitely getting ready to do that. There's plenty of them out there that you can look up to see which one you need. Look, just do your research and see which one fits you better, see which one you want. Just don't cheap out on it. Get one that is durable enough to last. So, but the one I went with, I have the Santora one. And of course, you know, why not? Get purple. They have different colors, but I chose purple. So we're gonna go ahead and get this done. It looks like a simple change out, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this, guys. The tools you're gonna need, real simple. You just need 2 wrenches here. So you need a 1/2 inch and a 7/16 wrench. And then you need this T40 Torx bit. Uh-oh, I almost forgot the star of the show here, guys. And I have some blue Loctite here. First things first, we gotta get this old one here off, and then we'll get the new one on. All right, we're gonna use the 7/16 wrench here first to get this nut loose. All right, so you want to get it loose enough where you can start unscrewing it with your hand. So for this side, what you want to do, you want to take your 1/2 inch wrench to hold your nut here, and then you want to use your 7/16 to hold your bolt back here, so you're not going fighting against yourself to unloosen it. All right, guys. And this is one of the weak points that you want to change on your stock bike once you get them. You want to upgrade this immediately, okay? All right, y'all, we're getting ready to put the new one on. So I'm gonna put this bolt in first, and then we'll move to this one. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some Loctite on here. All right, so now I'm gonna use my T40 here to get it in there just a little bit tighter, but not too tight yet. So for this end, this one you have the actual nut that comes along with it for this side here. And you wanna make sure you put the nut on the back and that the flat end is the end that goes up against the bolt here. And so up on this end here, this goes in the front, and then your bolt goes thread through here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some Loctite here before I put the nut back on that end. All right, so now we get ready to get everything tightened back up. Of course, we're gonna use the wrench, and this time we have the Torx bit here to get everything tightened up. Oh man, my thing is backwards. All right, y'all, confession. I made a mistake. So when you're putting your shifter linkage on, you want to make sure that you have the front end behind this black piece here, which is how you actually shift in your gears. You want to make sure that you have it behind, and you see I have it in front. You see how it won't move at all? Yeah, that is the reason why. So I'm getting ready to get this this nut and this bolt back off so I can go ahead and rearrange that, put that back around, and I can get that fixed. So this goes behind here. So make sure you do that and make sure you have that on right before you tighten everything up. This is in the front of this piece. This part of the shifter linkage is in the back of this piece. All right, now we're ready. And I gotta add more Loctite. And this stuff comes out really easy, y'all, so you don't have to do a whole big squeeze to get this out. All right, guys, I'm for real this time. I'm getting ready to tighten this back up and get it on and check it and make sure it's right this time. All right, guys, finally finished, but this job here doesn't take long at all to do. 10, 15 minutes at most for you to get this simple, easy thing to do, but an important thing that you need to do. Of course, it took me a little bit longer because I put it on backwards, but you want to make sure you have that little play in it a little bit to allow you to be able to shift and everything while you're riding. But like I said, there are several different brands out there that you can order, that you can get, and you just have to do your research and see which one that's more suitable for you. Another thing, well, I don't know if it's a fact, but another thing that I've heard people say, once you change out your shifter linkage, it should be easier to find neutral. That is to be determined. I haven't rode yet to see if that's easier for me, but I shall see, and I will let you guys know if that is guaranteed a fact for me. But other than that, guys, make sure you change this out. Make sure you share this video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Y'all know Tiffany Renee is a growing channel, and like always, Tiffany Renee, I'll be back. Love you guys. Bye.